Are you subscribed? And did you hit that notification? Okay. The notification button. But subscribe. Okay? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shamika, and as you can tell from the title of the video, we are talking about this full face of makeup. Yes, your girl picked up some foundation and tried some foundation, and this is the look I got. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching.
Okay guys, so I am not sure what happened to the footage before this, and I sincerely apologize. However, what you see me doing is adding foundation. I picked up the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 355 Coconut. This is the matte and poreless foundation. So that is what I'm applying to my face with a brush. I just took like 2 or 3 drops of the foundation and applied it all over my face. A little trick that I did is I damped my beauty blender before adding my setting powder to the face. And as you can see, when the beauty blender is wet, it helps with the translucent powder to set like into the skin. So as I'm pressing it in, it was settling into my face. So you can clearly see the difference between when I pressed it in wet and when I went back in with the second layer to set my concealer. guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up button, and go ahead and drop me a comment below to let me know your favorite part. See you in the next one.